Hey friends, this is our letters and sounds, page 35. Sorry, my paper was hidden. Page 35. All right, this is our review for letter E that we talked about yesterday. All right, and today we're learning about the letter F, but I'm glad we're doing this paper today so that I can show you the difference between E and F, because they really kind of look alike. All right, so capital E is a pull down, cross, push across, push across. Lowercase e is a push across, up, and around. So let's do it without that. Pull down, push across, push across. This is the capital E. Now, the letter we learned today was the letter F. It looks like this. Pull down, push across, push across. So look, they almost look the same except for right here. F does not have another line on the bottom. Okay? So Miss Hendry is going to show you again. To make an E, you do a pull down, push across, push across, push across. And that says eh. Good, guys.